Well, here I am working on the 1720 again. The 1720 Cub Cadet. I bought this as a community mower because a lot of us have mowers within the family, lawnmowers, tractor lawnmowers. We got enough land. I've got it pushed into the garage, and I went to go start. I won't start. I'm going to try to give you updates as I go through things, but I cleaned a lot of parts yesterday. This is my voltmeter, and it shows that we got plenty of battery, and that's what I wanted to show you. So I don't know, I turned the key on, and the dash don't light up. I don't know what the problem is yet. We're working on it. So here's the dash there. It don't light up or anything, so we'll see what we can find. I'm suspecting a wire somewhere corroded off that I haven't found yet, but because all the safety switches were working when I parked it, and it only set for about I don't know, maybe 5 days or something like that. Well, we're going to see if we can find the bottom of this. Hope maybe I can give you something in this video that will work. So, alright, this is Papa D. Okay, folks, what I found was, now I've got it till it wants to start again. This terminal here was all corroded up on the ignition switch. I checked it with my ohm, and the switch is good, because I tried to start it. But I've got to clean this terminal up a little more and clean the harness up a wee bit. Right here's the plug. That makes me feel pretty good. Ohms Tech checked it. I found out with my trouble light which one of these wires was a power wire. Apparently a power goes to that all the time, and I wasn't getting any. I was getting something at the top, because as you can see, I can get to the top of that pretty easy with my trouble light. It's getting power to the switch, but when I went to come down and check it here, because I had some exposed, I couldn't get nothing to pick up. So I decided I'd check a little farther, and I found out, yeah, you can see it now. See how rusty that is? I'm probably going to have to buy another switch, but I think I can make her run for now. So we'll see. We're going to put her back together and try it. I was thinking it was a broken wire somewhere, but here it's probably just a switch. Okay, folks, thanks. You can see that one terminal there pretty corroded up. I don't know how to get it out. One way to fix it is to cut all the wires, pigtail a new thing on there. I don't know how to get that one out, so I took a small straight scratcher thing I got, punch like scratched around there, so maybe that cleaned it up a little bit. We're going to try it anyways. So, and then in order to get the juice to the tractor while I was checking it out, I took the battery out, hooked up positive to negative through a set of jumper cables up to the cables up here. You got to be careful when you do that you don't touch any metal, because you could damage stuff. And then I hooked my trouble light into that negative side to check to see if I get power, and I was. So anyways, we'll get back with you here. Hang tight. Oh, I thought I'd let you know, to clean these terminals up, I use a fingernail file, a woman's fingernail file. That seems to do a pretty good job. They do have electrical spray out there that you can use, but I don't have any, so we'll go with what we got. That's the little tip. Talk to you later. Well, you can see with the headlights on, I got lights on the dash. See the headlights on up there? I got all the possibilities that she'll crank. I wasn't even getting that before. I'll be right back. I got to move a light. That may not go good without on the muffler, you know what I mean? Alright. I haven't tried to start it or anything. Well, let's see. She'll crank over. No cranky over. I had it cranking before. Well, let's come down here. Step on our pedal. Well, there we go. Because I left the tractor outside. Alright. Yep, there we go. Pick some tools up, dig her out for a test run. Yeah, baby. If you like what you see, please subscribe and smash that thumbs up button, please. Talk to you later.